attract favor to yourself in any new week with this sea salt. Sorry, with salt and charcoal. This is not sea salt, this is cooking salt. So you need your cooking salt and you need your charcoal. But charcoal, you are going to get like this, 4 pieces. 4 pieces of your charcoal, like this. Then you get your cooking salt. Use it to attract favor to yourself in any new week. Like on Monday, you do this. Every Monday, you can do this. Do you get? Then when you get this like this together, cooking salt. This is not sea salt. So when you get them together like this, put the charcoal on the 4 corners of your room. When you get your charcoal like this or like this, keep it at the 4 corners of your room. Add salt. You need your cooking salt, not your sea salt. So when you put your charcoal at the 4 corners of your room, then you shade the salt into 4 and put it together with the charcoal. Do you get? So after you must have put your charcoal at the 4 corners of your house, you add your salt close to all the charcoal. Do you get? After that, you pray that salt, everybody eats salt, so shall your week be favored. So shall everybody that sees you on that week will favor you. Then charcoal will open ways for you. It will remove every negativity in your house. It will open that week, make that week to be fruitful in your life. Do you get? So do this every week. Then every Monday, you remove the old one, you put another one at that 4 corners of your house. Do you get? Please make sure you do this and come and testify. You can do it in your shop if you have shop. You can do it in your shop. You can do it in your office. You can do it anywhere you know you're staying. As long as you're staying there or you're selling there, you can do it. It helps to bring sales. It has so many health and spiritual benefits. You can go down my video and check. It has so many. I have so many videos on this charcoal. So go and try this and come back with your testimony. Come and testify this week. But you're not going to do it again this week. I prefer you leave it on Monday. So please go and try this and come back with your testimony. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.